students. So previous class I completed example number 30, miscellaneous example number 30 completed. Now start example number 31. Example number 31. So example 31 is for any sets A and B, so that power set of A intersection B is equal to power set of A intersection power set of B. Here A and B are any two sets, also given so that power set of A union B. So previous example I told, if we show A is equal to B, then first we show that A subset B and then B subset A. This implies A is equal to B. So here show that power set of A intersection B is the subset of power set of A intersection power set of B. So let any element. And second thing, since power set of any set is the set whose elements are subsets of that set, and each subset is a set, and set is denoted by capital letters. So element of power set of A is denoted by capital letters, not small letter, because any element of power set of A is also a set, and set denoted by capital letter. Clear? So here suppose capital X be any element of A intersection B. यहाँ देखो हम कैपिटल X सपोज किए हैं, स्मॉल x सपोज नहीं करना है, बिकॉज पावर सेट का एलिमेंट इज ए सेट एंड सेट डिनोटेड बाई कैपिटल लेटर्स. So let X be any element of P of A intersection B. Since X belongs to this implies capital X is the subset of A intersection B. कुछ तो आप भूल गए होंगे. How X is the subset of A intersection B? आप इसे एक एग्जाम्पल से समझें. आप एग्जाम्पल एक दे रहे हैं, समझ लो. इस लाइन को एक एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. सपोज सेट A इज इक्वल टू 2 एलिमेंट 1 2, देन इट्स सबसेट्स आर 5 1 2 and 1 2. So power set of A is equal to all the elements 5 1 2 and 1 2. And since this curly bracket closed belongs to power set of A, this is the element of power set of A, but this is the subset of A also, and this is the subset of A. तो पावर सेट का जो एनी एलिमेंट होगा, that are the subset of that set. Here curly bracket closed 1 belongs to power set of A. So curly bracket closed 1 is a subset of A. इस सेट का हो जाएगा सबसेट, यानी जो पावर सेट का जो एलिमेंट होगा, that element is a subset of set. तो here X is the element of power set of A intersection B. यहाँ सेट के प्लेस पे क्या है? A intersection B. So this X is the subset of A intersection B. इस एग्जाम्पल से क्लियर हो गया. So X is a subset of A intersection B. This implies X is a subset of A and X is a subset of B also. X subset of both sets. When 1 is a subset of A, then that curly bracket closed 1 belongs to power set of A. So X subset A, this implies that X belongs to पावर सेट ऑफ ए, ये लाइन क्लियर है, x बिलोंग्स टू पावर सेट ऑफ ए बाय दिस एग्जांपल एंड this x belongs to power set of b. This imply ax belong in both set, so this imply x belong in power set of a intersection power set of b, because x belong in p of a and also x belong in p of b, so x belong in their intersection. अब आप एलिमेंट x क्या सपोज किए हो, since x belong in power set of a intersection b and this imply ये कहाँ belong कर गया, x belong in power set of a intersection power set of b, so therefore this set is the subset to that, so power set of a intersection b is the subset of power set of a intersection power set of b, call it 1. हाफ पार्ट समझ में आ गया. Similarly, now let y be any element of this set. Now let capital Y belongs to power set of a intersection power set of b. अब आप इस सेट को इसका सबसेट दिखाओगे तो इसमें एलिमेंट सपोज कर लिए कैपिटल वाई, देन दिस इम्प्लाई कैपिटल वाई बिलोंग्स टू पावर सेट ऑफ ए एंड कैपिटल वाई बिलोंग्स टू पावर सेट ऑफ बी ऑल्सो, दोनों में बिलोंग करेंगे. कैपिटल वाई बिलोंग्स टू पावर सेट ऑफ ए, दिस इम्प्लाई कैपिटल वाई इज द सबसेट ऑफ सेट ए, क्योंकि जो कैपिटल जो भी पावर सेट का जो एलिमेंट होगा वो सेट का होगा सबसेट बाय दिस एग्जांपल. ये एग्जांपल हैं बता चुके हैं. एंड कैपिटल वाई इज द सबसेट ऑफ बी ऑल्सो, सो हियर वाई द सबसेट ऑफ बोथ सेट, वाई द सबसेट ऑफ सेट ए and y is the subset of set b also, so this imply capital Y is the subset of a intersection b, दोनों का ही सबसेट है. so y is the subset of a intersection b, this imply that y belongs to power set of a intersection b. जो सबसेट्स का एलिमेंट होगा that element, जो सबसेट्स जो सेट के सबसेट होंगे that are element of a power set of A. So Y is the subset of A intersection B. So that Y is the element of power set of A. अब आप Y क्या सपोज किए थे, since आप Y क्या सपोज किए हैं, Y belongs to, since Y belongs to, क्या Y belongs to सपोज किए हैं, P of A intersection P of B and this imply y belongs to, y कहाँ बिलोंग कर गया, p of a intersection b, therefore p of a intersection p of b is the subset of p of a intersection b, call it second. आप चूँकि इसमें एलिमेंट सपोज किए उसमें बिलोंग कर गया, so that is the subset of p of a intersection b. From 1 and 2 both are subset to each other. From 1 and 2 both are subset to each other, so p of a intersection b is equal to p of a intersection p of b, proved. So example 31 completed. Now example 32. Example 32, given a market research group conduct a survey of 1000 consumers and reported that 720 consumers like product A, total 1000 consumers given and it is not given that consumers like product A or like product B. It is not given. So this is the not of A union B. This is the value of universal set. Here example number 32. Example 32, 100 consumers. So number of 1000 consumers. So given 1000 and reported that 720 consumers like product A. That is number of A is equal to 720 and 450 B. That is number of B is equal to 450. What is the list number that must have liked both product? Both, that is find number of A intersection B. और कुछ given है here, number of U given and this given, A union T given, not given. Find the what is the list number, minimum number find करनी है. What is the list number that must have like product, that is find list value, list value of this, list value of number of A intersection B. So you are given find the what is the list number that must have like both product. Okay, list value. So use formula. First is formula, since number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So put the values. Number of A given 720, number of B given 450 minus number of A intersection B not given. Simplify it. This is the value of number of A union B. So add it 0, 5 to 7, this value minus number of A intersection B. And since here A union B not given and find number of A intersection B, since number of A union B always less or equal to number of U, universal set is the biggest set. तो यूनियन का जो वैल्यू होगा नंबर ऑफ यू से क्या होगा, लेस और इक्वल टू. सो पुट वैल्यू ऑफ नंबर ऑफ ए यूनियन बी, number of union B equal to 1170 minus number of A intersection B less equal to number of U given 1000. So this taking right side, this taking left side. So 1170 minus 1000 less equal to number of A union B. So 170 greater equal to less equal to number of A union B. That is number of A intersection B is greater equal to 170. A intersection B का जो वैल्यू होगा greater equal to 170. But here find the least value of number of A intersection B. Therefore, least value of number of A intersection B is equal to 170. क्योंकि इसका वैल्यू 170 से लेस नहीं हो सकता है, आइदर 170 और ग्रेटर देन 170. So list value of number of A intersection B is equal to 170. This is the answer. Now next example number 33. Example 33. Example number 33. 33 is out of 500 car owners investigated 400 on car A दैट इज कार ए के नंबर ऑफ ऑनर्स क्या है 400 एंड 500 कार ऑनर्स एंड इट इज़ नॉट गिवन इन दिस 500 कार ऑनर्स आइदर ए और बी, इट इज़ नॉट गिवन. आप आउटसाइड भी ए और बी हो सकता है. सो इट इज़ नॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए यूनियन बी, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ नंबर ऑफ यू. सो नंबर ऑफ यू is equal to 500 and on car A, that is number of A equal to 400 and number of car B given 200 and both that is intersection given 50. Is this data is correct? Here A is the set of which person who owned car A and B is the set of whose person who's owned car B. So question is this data correct? So data correct. Here not given number of A union B. Find number of A union B. So since number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B माइनस नंबर ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. देखो डाटा इज करेक्ट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ ए यूनियन बी, ए यूनियन बी में जो एलिमेंट होंगे ऑलवेज लेस और इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ यूनिवर्सल सेट. ये क्लियर है. यूनिवर्सल सेट इज द बिगेस्ट सेट. तो नंबर ऑफ ए यूनियन बी इसमें जो एलिमेंट होंगे इससे ग्रेटर नहीं हो सकता है. नंबर ऑफ ए यूनियन बी में जो वैल्यू होंगे वो क्या होगा, आइदर 500 और लेस देन 500. सो फाइंड इट्स वैल्यू. सो नंबर ऑफ ए गिवन 400, नंबर ऑफ बी गिवन 200 एंड इंटरसेक्शन गिवन 50. सो दिस वन इज 600 minus 5, that is 550. A union B 550 which is greater than 500. That is this value is greater than number of u, because number of u is equal to 500. So here number of A union B is greater than number of u. It is not possible because universal set is the biggest set, and so number of element in u always greater than or equal to any set, which is not possible. Which is not possible because number of u always greater equal to number of A union B. Therefore data is incorrect. Data is incorrect. This is example number 33. Now next example number 34. Example number 34. For 34 first 34 के पहले के फॉर्मूला देख लें. सपोज A, B and C are three sets. A, B, C are three sets and this is the common. Suppose D is the common element of all sets. आप इतना पार्ट देख रहे हो, इतना पार्ट तीनों सेट में ही कॉमन है. एंड दिस पार्ट ओनली A एंड B, ये सपोज कर लिया A. दिस पार्ट ओनली B एंड C, ये सपोज कर रहे हैं B. एंड दिस पार्ट सपोज C, A, B, C. So now what is the value of number of A intersection B? A intersection B. Number of A intersection B. Number of A intersection B. This whole part, this part is the A intersection B. That is A plus D is equal to A plus D. and number of B intersection C, B and C, this part is a B and C, that is B plus D, and number of C intersection A, C and A, this whole part C and A, that is C plus D. और इन दोनों का दिए हम ऐड करें, इन तीनों को ऐड निकालें, एडिशन फाइंड करें, और यदि हम फाइंड करें ओनली ए एंड बी, ओनली ए एंड बी, ओनली नंबर ऑफ A intersection B, this is A intersection B, and only A intersection B, that is no any element in C. आप यह D part देख रहे हो, D also belong in C, so only A intersection B is A. Similarly only B intersection C, only B और C में होना चाहिए, this B part only B and C, so number of B intersection C is equal to B, and only number of C intersection A is equal to C. So only two sets, so only number of A intersection B plus this number of B intersection C, और आप अलग अलग ओनली लिख दें, ओनली this can also written only number of A intersection B plus only number of B intersection C plus only number of C intersection A is equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. This can also written only two sets. Only two sets means either A and B or B and C or C and A. This can also written only two sets is equal to क्या आ गया, A plus B plus C, and A plus B plus C, this can written this only two. Now write adding these three, ये तीनों को ऐड कर रहे हैं, so number of A intersection B plus number of B intersection C plus number of C intersection A is equal to A plus D, B plus D plus C plus D. This can written first write A, then write B, then write C, and D plus D plus D, 3D, and A plus B plus C can retain only two sets, so this can retain only two, यहाँ पे space is not enough, space not enough, so A plus B plus C means only two sets, so therefore number of A intersection B plus number of B intersection C plus number of C intersection A is equal to A plus B plus C, means number of only two sets plus 3D. D part क्या था, D part of diagram देखो, this is the D part and D is the intersection of all part. This is the value of A intersection B intersection C, ये तीनों का ये common part ही है, this is the common part of all three sets, so this can written plus number of three number of A intersection B intersection C, here D is equal to this value, so write formula, so only number of only two sets is equal to this term taking left side. So number of A intersection B plus number of B intersection C plus number of C intersection A minus 3 into number of A intersection B intersection C. So this is the formula of number of only two sets. So I discuss next class example number 34 and you do exercise, miscellaneous exercise. So homework is miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise is homework. Miscellaneous exercise homework, you try it. Okay.